Hi, class. Well, welcome to week two. You've made it through week one. Many of you completed all of your work. You guys did great in the discussion board. Keep up the conversations this week in the discussion board. You'll have a new discussion question this week. Um, you submitted your scavenger hunt. A lot of you um, did great with that. And then you wrote goals. Now, a lot of you wrote goals um, that were academic goals, like I want to make a B in class. Um, the assignment was about a motivational goal. So one student said, I'm going to keep a positive mindset each day. That is a great motivational goal. Or you could say, each day I'm going to tell myself that I can do an excellent job in my assignments and submit my assignments on time each week. That's a motivational goal. Something that you want to write a goal of something that motivates you to do your schoolwork or motivates you to be successful in school. So I did grade all of them. I started out counting off points and then I said, no. So I went back and regraded them. But what you'll find is this week, you're going to set academic goals. So the goals that you wrote for week one will be similar to what you need to submit for week two. Now, if your goals for week two, your academic goals are you may want an A in this class, or to submit your work on time, or to get your degree. And then after that, after you set your long-term goal, then your short-term goals are going to be tasks that you need to do to accomplish that long-term goal. So if you want an A in this class, if that's your goal that you've set, then to get an A, you can say, I'm going to submit my work on time. I'm going to study 2 to 3 hours a week, different things like that to support that long-term goal. There are some forms or templates in the course that will help you with that, with setting your goals, your SMART goals, this little template here. If you have trouble downloading it, just let me know and I can send you over a copy. In the discussion, Reggie Rivers also talks about goal setting. He has a great talk on goal setting and how to set goals and what goal setting really is. So I want to see your conversations. I want to get in the discussion board and talk about what Reggie Rivers is talking about in his video. I look forward to hearing your comments about that. I think you guys are going to really enjoy that. Then your second assignment is this is a different type of goal setting. You know, now that you're in school, there's additional expenses, right? Because you have to pay for school or whatever it is, babysitter because you want to study or whatever extra expenses you may have. Part of college transition is thinking through everything that could happen while you're in school. And so we have this assignment where you prepare a personal finance budget, including your college tuition payments or whatever you do, including your income and then the different expenses that you have, and then subtracting those to get your balance down here. Okay. You can use this template, or you can find your own template in Word or online or whatever. They have some great templates out there for you to create a budget. You may already have a budget that you use. You can submit that as well. I'll be the only one to view these in grading. So, and then if you don't have a budget or you don't have a job, make a hypothetical budget of what you think you'll be making when you graduate, and then minus your expenses for you living. Okay. After you create your budget, then you want to write a summary of your plan on how you plan on handling monetary issues while you're enrolled in school. Okay? Don't forget your summary. And then assignment 2.3, you're going to click on the survey link in the assignment and complete the survey. Now, let me tell you a little trick here. A lot of people do not capture that last frame, even though it says upload a screenshot of the last page. A lot of people do not do that. So what I suggest is go ahead and go out of the survey and then click the link again, because the page that'll come up, it'll say you already took the survey, and then you can take a screenshot of that page and submit it, and I'll count it for your assignment. Okay, quick and easy little assignment worth 25 points. I know these are difficult times right now. I hope that you can see maybe school as a good distraction. Maybe you can focus more on getting your work done, reading the lessons and stuff like that, instead of being quarantined. If you are quarantined, I am. So I want you guys to be safe out there. Communicate with me if anything's popping off. And I want you guys to have a good week. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys.